Teka lang.
Lahat yan?
Oo.
The hospital can be considered the area better served by information system. Information is the key element for this decision-making process in the healthcare. Information is the key element for decision-making process in the healthcare. The more specific information in place to support clinical decisions, the better care can be delivered to the patient. Yan din. Technology also plays an important role in facilitating access to the information. Because for the information to be useful and meaningful, it has to be timely.
Nakakaya baka okay lang yan.
We can expect to see better inform ba yun? We can expect to see
Go, Milet.
we can expect to see better informed healthcare providers and consumers.
Sige, ako na dito.